So while I'm at it, I'll do a second one. That turned out really good, didn't it? Beautiful. A little bit tight coming out. Cast irons still both got very low coefficient of expansion, but I mean, when you use boring bars, it's unlikely you're going to get an absolutely perfect finish. And even I ran the hone through this, I could still see a few little irregularities in there, and it was actually still a little bit of pitting from the old master slave cylinder. So I could have actually done a couple more passes, but I thought, oh, I'll probably pull away from that, but I think it just made it a little bit tight, that's all. We'll see how this one comes out. Yeah, it's coming out pretty easy. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. I cooled it under the tap, and I reckon I got a little bit of shrinkage there. That's what happens when you cool it quickly, you can get shrinkage. But it looks pretty good. We'll cut the ends off and see how it looks. As I said, the best thing is let it cool down completely, you know. But anyway, it looks okay to me. Well, there you have it. It was pretty crappy aluminium. It didn't turn up too bad. Bit feathery. Yeah, had to machine it with a fair bit of lead-in angle, otherwise it was starting to tear up. But as I said, this is just some old rubbishy stuff I had, and being a display so you won't see it. It's all going to be hidden. It's not as nice as this stuff. This turned out a lot better. This is the Toyota wheel rim. This is way better. But I mean, you know, like, why turn down stuff that size when your end product's got to be this size? You know, it's going to waste all that aluminium, and at the end of the day, it'll do the job. So there you go. So yeah, using the old clutch slave cylinder worked out okay. You know, at the end of the day, it's all usable aluminium, and yeah, go through your junk heap, see what you've got that's going to be, you know, cylindrical, or make it cylindrical, and yeah, get into it, save a fortune. All right, see you next time. Cheers.